The four men charged with electoral fraud, including sitting MP Jami Lee Ross, will fight the accusations made against them, pleading not guilty in their first court appearance today. Mr Ross and three others were charged by the Serious Fraud Office after a 10-month investigation. The charges relate to two $100,000 donations paid to the National Party, one in 2017 and the second in 2018. Our political editor Jane Patterson was at court and filed this report.
The three Auckland businessmen charged alongside Jami Lee Ross arrived at the Auckland District Court this morning with no comment to make to the waiting media contingent. Mr Ross, Zhang Kun, Jung Shujia and Jung Hungjia were charged by the SFO after a 10-month investigation. The original complaint was made by Mr Ross himself when he went nuclear on his former party National and leader Simon Bridges in late 2018. All four men face charges of deception. Jung Hungjia has also been charged with providing misleading information.
All four defendants are in a position to be pleaded today.
It was a short hearing this morning with not guilty pleas entered and a brief discussion about how the trial will proceed. Jami Lee Ross read a short statement to reporters after his appearance.
Morning everyone. This morning I pleaded not guilty because I have never been involved in any deception to do with donations. At the time these donations were made to the National Party, I was not aware of any conspiracy to defeat the Electoral Act by anyone.
He claims to have been made a scapegoat by the National Party, but told reporters he believed it was important to come forward as a whistleblower.
I will continue to blow the whistle on foreign donations and agents of foreign states attempting to influence our democracy. This is too big of an issue for this country for us to say nothing.
The National Party and its leader Simon Bridges have insisted from the start they've acted lawfully over all party donations. Today the party issued a statement from a spokesperson saying Jami Lee Ross's comments are nothing more than a vendetta and it does not accept the way he's characterising his part in what happened. The spokesperson says it's Mr Ross, not the party, who has ended up in court, and they say National expects evidence that will inform the public of the true facts will be presented during the trial. The donations were made to the National Party, but neither the leader nor any staff were charged. Mr Ross's lawyer, Ron Mansfield, was asked whether Mr Bridges or party officials will be called to give evidence.
Look, folks, the reality is we don't know who's going to be called as witnesses yet. We haven't received any material from the SFO. When we have, you will know about it. But at this stage, we've been pretty clear about what our position is.
Jami Lee Ross quit National in 2018 but stayed on as the independent MP for Botany. He says he still intends to stand in that seat this September.
Nothing's changed.
And you think you can beat Christopher Luxon?
Nothing's changed.
Judge John McDonald remanded all four men on bail with an order to surrender their passports to next appear in court in June. In Auckland for Checkpoint, Jane Patterson.